What is Gucci fam? Today we're going to be starting a video. Oh my gosh, that makes you want to curse right now. Family friendly censor noise. The Belfast Gucci on right now. I wanted to make this video to talk about a video that I was in recently that was okay. I will throw that video up right now.
And he's in an angry mood. He'll turn me to pie. Oh crap, he's coming now. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Show him.
There's me. Oh my gosh, that's the cringiest.
You're gonna turn me to pie. No. No. He's turning me to pie.
Yeah, that's really all. I'll have that video linked down below to go watch it. And oh wait, here it is. Yeah, these are all just Yu-Gi-Oh cards. There's the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Wait, that's what it is. No, the White Dragon. Zolgia. No, I'll just put up a time lapse of me going through all of them. And then I have to pick all of this up.